Happy Monday, guys. We're back at it again. It's beautiful out here, man. You guys see that? It's Canadian winter, man. They're cleaning their snow. It's a good vibe. You guys see the trees?